In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your age on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. You'll land on the TikTok homepage where you can browse videos. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner to access your TikTok profile page. Now, go to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Next, tap on Account, then select Account Information. Here you can view and edit details like your phone number, email, and account region. Now tap on Date of Birth to update your TikTok age verification. Tap on Birthday again to edit it. Here's something important. If you see Unable to Edit, it means you've recently changed your age on TikTok. TikTok only allows you to edit your birth date once every few days for security reasons. If you can edit it, simply update your birth date and tap Save at the bottom, then tap Confirm to verify your new age. If it's locked, you'll need to wait a few days before you can change your TikTok birth date again, or you can contact TikTok support for assistance with age verification issues. And that's how you verify and update your age on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.